Hey friends, today we're going to draw Ralphie in his pink bunny pajamas.
And we hope you're really excited to follow along with us. For this lesson, we're using our usual art supplies, markers.
Yeah, but you could use whatever you have.
Yeah, you don't have to use the same thing. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw Ralphie's face. We're gonna draw his nose right here. I'm gonna just draw a little curve for the bottom of his nose. And then we can draw his mouth, which we're gonna draw him grumpy because he doesn't wanna wear his pink bunny pajamas.
Yeah.
Then let's draw his eyes, and we can draw a circle, color it in, and a circle over here to color it in. But we also need his glasses.
Oh yeah.
So let's draw the letter U that goes under each eye. And then we're gonna draw the top. Oh yeah, and the other side.
Oh yeah.
Whoops, do that one a little. There we go. Then we can draw the part that goes over his nose. And we're gonna draw his head. So we're gonna draw the shape coming down, a big letter U that goes around for his cheeks and his chin. And then we can also draw his bunny hood going over his head. So it kind of turns it into a circle. And then we'll connect the glasses to the side of his head on both sides. And then let's draw his hair. We're gonna draw, first we'll draw a curve coming down this way and down this way, right above his right eye. And then we can draw a zigzag line going over to the other side on each, on the left and the right. Okay. Now we're ready to draw his little hood that goes over his head. So let's start here, and we're gonna draw it coming over and down on the other side. And then let's draw his bunny ears. So let's start here, and we'll draw a curve coming out, and we could also do the other one too at the same time. And we're gonna draw each ear kind of bent differently. So this one will bend down, and then we can bend it back in. So that's the top folded over, and then we can draw the rest of the ear coming in. And then on this side, we're gonna draw it really crinkled up. So we'll draw it coming down, or over, and then down some more. And we could draw, okay, I'm gonna draw it curving in. And then we'll draw this side a little more pointed, but I'm gonna draw it curving also up. Okay, and then we'll draw the rest of the ear coming into it. Okay, right here, let's draw the zipper part under his chin. And then we can also draw the hood coming in and connecting to the bottom of that, and then to the other side. I'm gonna draw him kind of short too, and turn him into more of a cartoon.
Yeah.
So let's, right here, we're gonna draw a little space, or leave a little space, and then we'll draw his body coming down on each side. And then we can draw some wrinkles in his pajamas. So we'll draw little bumps coming down further. And then down here at the bottom, we need to draw his bunny feet. So let's also draw, right here, we'll draw an upside down letter V. And then we'll draw more wrinkles on each side. And then we're gonna draw the bottom of his slippers. So we'll draw a curve that connects on both sides. Oh, and I think we also need to add some angry eyebrows up here.
Oh yeah.
There we go. Okay, now for the slippers. Let's draw the top of the slipper. So we'll draw a curve going over for each foot. And then we're gonna draw a nose And we'll repeat the same step on each side. Then we'll draw the mouth coming down. Although I think it was just the stitching on the slippers. And then we got to draw the eyes. So 2 more dots or circles on each side of the slipper. And then we got to draw the ears. So let's draw 2 upside down letter U's for each ear. And then he also has the zipper coming down. I'm going to draw a little triangle shape for the zipper first, and then we'll draw the zipper coming down his belly. Okay, now for his arms. We got to draw the shoulder coming out, and we can add some wrinkles coming down too. So we're going to draw shoulder and then some wrinkles. And then we got to draw his hands that are kind of in the pajamas too. He has little gloves or mittens. And then he also has his little thumb, and we can add a little. We did it. We finished Ralphie.
He looks so good.
He does. Except we still need to
Color him.
Yeah, we need to color him pink.
Yes.
This part we'll fast forward, but at the end you go pause the video if you want to match our same coloring. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Austin, we did it! We finished coloring Ralphie and he turned out perfect.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, this is one of my favorite parts in the Christmas store.
Me too.
Yeah. We've kind of all been there where we get a present we don't quite like, but we need to still smile.
Yeah.
Although he's not really smiling.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Ralphie in his pink bunny pajamas.
We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.